Hi and welcome. I'm Josephine. Today we are going to create a drop-down list in Excel, just like this on the screen. Here on the screen I have a list of students from various departments doing different courses. So here if I click on the cell and the department, I can select the department the student belongs to. See, I'm able to select the department for each student easily without any typing on the screen. Here, if I go to the courses column, I can also select the course the student is studying under the department. It's easy to just select them without having to type the information manually into the cells. Why do you need a drop-down list? A drop-down list is important because it enables you to select values from a pre-populated list. It helps you to automate the values that can be imputed into the cell without having to type them, just like I explained. Now I'm going to show you how to create this drop down list in Excel. So if you're interested, let's get right into it. Here I have a sheet that I want to create a drop down list for these students here. I want to create a drop down list for the department column. To do that, select all the cells you want to create a drop down list for. Go to Data tab, click on it and go to Data Validation, select Data Validation. Under Allow, select List. Under Source, type the value you want to create the drop-down list with and separate each value with a comma. When you finish, click OK. So here we have the drop-down list already for each cell that you can select the department for each student. So here I can select mathematics. If these students belong to math department, I will simply just select it, and on the next cell I select the department for the students, and so on and so forth, just like that. So this way you don't have to sit down and be typing into each cell what you want to create for the list. The second option I'm going to show you is best when you have many options to choose from. So I've added that as a third sheet. These are the many different options I want to choose for my table. So I've added it as a third sheet. Let's go back to our table. As usual, select the cells you want to create a drop down menu for. Go to the Data tab and go to the Data Validation, and under Allow, select List, and at Source, select the arrow next to the source and click on the sheet that contains the values and select all the values that you want to add to the drop down list. Go to next to the validation and click on the arrow, and under it click OK. So here we have the drop down list as well with a long list of values. So if you want to select a course for the students in mathematics department, you can select it. Let's say algebra, accounting, English. You can select research and so forth and so on. There are many courses under each department that a student can take. So it's just as you wish. So this is how to create a drop down list in Excel. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, kindly subscribe and click on the like button below. Also turn on your notification bell so that when we upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you. Bye.